This is the second elevator here at the La Quinta. This one's got an ABS replacement call button of some sort. This one's got 2 directional lantern. 3. Oh, this one's got a terrible fan. Indicator's completely burned out on this one. Watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.